In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate sub-items in Monday.com, a task that can be easily done in just a few minutes, perfect for streamlining your workflow. First, let's start by navigating to the Monday.com website. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see the option to log in. Click on this option to proceed. Now you'll be presented with a choice to either sign in with Google or manually enter the email address associated with your account. If you choose to sign in with Google, just select the email you'd like to use and you'll be on your way. After signing in, you should be directed to your workspace. From here, the next step is to identify the board you want to work with. Navigate to the specific board by selecting it from your list, ensuring it's the correct one that contains the sub-items you'd like to duplicate. Once you're at your desired board, locate the sub-item you want to duplicate. You'll notice a checkbox next to each subitem. What you'll want to do is tick this box for the subitem you're interested in. This action will bring up a menu bar at the bottom of your screen. This is a useful tool as it offers various options for management and customization within Monday.com. In this menu, look for the duplicate option. It's typically quite straightforward to find. Clicking on duplicate will give you further options to refine how you'd like your duplication process to proceed. Here, you are presented with choices. If you want to duplicate everything, including the projects and updates related to that sub-item, then select Duplicate Projects and Updates. However, if you're only interested in duplicating the base sub-item without any extended content, choose Duplicate Projects only. This gives you flexibility depending on the level of detail you need in your duplicate. Once you've made your choice, take a moment to review the duplicated item. You might want to give it a fresh name to avoid any confusion. You can rename it entirely or simply remove the word copy from its title if that's automatically included. And there you have it. With this simple process, you can effectively manage your sub-items, maintain organization, and ultimately enhance productivity on Monday.com. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.